On Shitbox Corner, we got ourselves lovely Chevrolet Impala 3.6. Because of our joy of buying Chinesium parts, today we have to replace our Evap Purge valve once again. Alright, so first thing first, we want to get off, the most beautiful cover known to man. When in doubt, rip that bitch off. Well, we don't worry about the fact that O-ring just came off. We take this little connector, rip her out as well. Then we take our big chunky boy, 10mm, and get it on this little bolt down there. Not sure if you guys can see it. I'm blind as well, so we're both the same. Alright. Come on. There we go. Then we just want to get those threads all the way out. Come on, get in there. Oh, you little bitch. Now we just, come on. Come on. Oh, are you not all the way out, you little bastard? If you cannot tell, I have some choice language here on the Shitbox Corner. Come on. It's like trying to frickin' pop out a turd. Come on. If you couldn't tell, here at the Shitbox Corner, we really care about doing things the right way. Now, we see this little vacuum line, and we want to rip that little bitch out. Well, I guess a bolt just went to Narnia. We're not going to worry about that. Chinesium. Alright, now we take this little bastard, who I had to replace once because it decided to snap along with this nipple here, stick it in the hole. Make sure we put it in the correct hole, not the wrong hole. Now, we pop you back in and go to the process of tightening this down. And remember, cross thread is better than no thread. Make sure we're actually going into the hole. Yeah, we are. Good enough, at least. Okay, we make sure that's in there. Okay, I'm gonna tighten that down a little bit more. Okay. You know, it may sound like a goose getting raped, but we're not worrying about that. Okay. Now that we successfully have it nice and tight, like your mom was before I did anything, and get this on there. There we go. You better work this time, you little shit. Take this, get rid of it because it's a piece of shite, and give her a little starty start. Because you know, every shitbox must be nice and loud for all to hear. Good shit. Feel for any leaks. No leaks. All nice and tight. Now we just put this back on. And that is how you do an Evap Purge valve here at the shitbox corner. All we gotta do now is gently, very gently close the hood. And that is all. If you would like to see more of the glorious adventures here at the shitbox corner, look for more videos in the future. Adios, shitheads.